In 2020.3, Tableau continues to push forward with web edit enhancements. They're trying to get to some feature parity. It's pretty clear that's the case because this time what they've done is they've actually brought the filter dialog we're used to in Tableau Desktop to web edit. Let me show you the difference between a previous version of Tableau Server or Tableau Online and the new version coming in 2020.3. What I'll do is I'll switch over to this data source on house prices. This is actually on the Information Lab Tableau server. And if I just drag district onto filters, notice that when I drop it down, the filter appears here on the right hand side. Let me just highlight that for you so it's easier to see. You can just see that the filter is there basically. And then what we normally have to do is edit that filter right here in the pane. We don't get the filter dialog we're used to in desktop, where you can choose top conditional and wildcard sort of selectors for your filters. Now, in 2020.3, they haven't brought across all of those features, but I'll show you what they have done. I'm going to hit Explore, go to my data sources here, and I'm obviously going to work with Superstore Sales. So you can just publish up Superstore Sales to Tableau Online or Tableau Server and follow this video along. I'm going to create a new workbook here from the browser. And now I'm on my Tableau Online test instance. I can't say that word sometimes. I'm on my Tableau Online test instance. And now watch what happens when I drag a dimension onto the filters pane. If I just drag, let's say, product name onto filters, this time I get this filter dialog. This is something that we haven't had in Web Edit until now. So you can see here that I just have the basic list of options. I only have the options to basically choose a custom value list. I don't have any of the wildcard or conditional selections that I used to have before, but I can select from a list and it will just give me the full list. And I can obviously make my selections, hit apply, and we're pretty much good to go. And notice that it's doing this all in the web, even though I've got a really large list of fields here. It's using the power of Tableau Online or Tableau Server to drive all of this. So you might actually find on some really large data sets, building from web edit might actually be faster because your server is more capable than your desktop in terms of queries. And also your server itself might actually be closer to the data, if that makes sense. If your Tableau server in terms of infrastructure is in the same data center as your database, then actually doing this will be slightly faster than doing it on your desktop machine, which has to make the call out to the database and back again. So this is a really nice addition to Web Edit. I think we're really getting there. I think within the next year or so, it'll be very, very hard to look at Tableau Desktop and the web edit capability and really notice the differences apart from small tweaks in terms of how these things are done. That's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, hit a like button. Be sure to check out some of the other content on this channel on 2020.3. It's absolutely great content. I really encourage you to watch. And by all means, if you don't like the content, let us know what we can improve. We'll get around to it in the next video. Thank you very much.